Good morning, student. You all are welcome to revise the first chapter solution. Today, I will discuss the introductory part of this chapter, which is solution. Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more components in which the concentration of components can be varied within a certain limit. Okay? For example, salt solution, sugar solution, etc. Solution consists a binary solution. On the basis of number of component solutions can be classified into so many types like binary solution, ternary solution and quaternary solution and so on, in which the binary solution is most common. It has two components only. One is solute, which is the minor component, and other is solvent, which is the major component. Again, on the basis of solubility, this binary solution can be classified as saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. These are the three types of solutions on the basis of concentration of solute. Saturated solution is one in which there is an equilibrium between the solute dissolved and that settled in the bottom. Okay? For example, saturated solution of water. This equilibrium established at a particular temperature. So temperature play the key role in the solubility of a substance in solution. When a saturated solution is heated, then the solute dissolved and the solute precipitated. It further starts dissolving. So this solution becomes unsaturated. So solution becomes unsaturated at high temperature, and again when such a saturated solution is cooled, then the solute already dissolved, starts settling in the bottom, so the solution becomes supersaturated. In this way, there are three types of solution: unsaturated solution, in which the solution process is still going on; saturated solution, there is no further dissolution; and supersaturated solution, in which the precipitation predominates. Okay, now we will discuss about the different types of binary solutions. Binary solutions on the basis of physical state of solvent. If we consider the physical state of solvent, then we get three types of binary solution. One is solid solution, another is liquid solution, and the third one is gaseous solution. So in which the major components are solid, liquid, gas respectively. But if we consider the physical state of solute also, then we get 9 types of binary solutions, 3 categories in each section: solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solution, which we have already introduced in this part. Again, if you if you try to understand the solid solution, what is solid solution? The solid solution is the solution in which the major component is solid, solvent is solid. For example, alloy, amalgam, and so on. In the case of solids have a crystalline structure in which there are so many interstitial sites or voids. When such voids are occupied by some other metals, solid materials, then this becomes solution, and this is called solid solution. This is interstitial solids. Such solids are called interstitial solids. Similarly, solid state solution is one or more solids in a solvent. Okay. Another one is liquid solution. Liquid solution is a homogeneous solution that is comprised of a solvent and a solute. there can be multiple solutes in the solvent. The, the result is a liquid solution. For example, sugar is dissolved in water, benzene is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride, the solution of normal hexene and normal heptane, etc. Similarly, the third major portion of solution is gaseous solution. Gaseous solution is the homogeneous mixture of several gases. Apart from this, the solid and liquid in the form of solute can also be dissolved in gases. Okay, सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन में ये होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ सेवरल गैसेस, जैसे कि एयर इज द होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ सेवरल गैसेस. तो दिस इज गैसेस, दिस इज मोस्ट important example of gaseous solution. So similarly, camphor dissolved in nitrogen gas, this is solid gas solution, and water vapor in air, this is liquid gas solution. So these are the different types of solutions which we have discussed in this text. So I think you all will be benefited by this. तो घर में रहिए और इसको पढ़िए, है ना. आगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. ओके, थैंक यू.